Hey there, fellow makers and curious minds. Welcome to a world where your creativity knows no bounds. Have you ever looked at an object and thought, I bet I could make that? Well, you're not alone. Many of us have had that spark of curiosity. With three-dimensional printing, you absolutely can. This technology has revolutionized the way we think about making things. Three-dimensional printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is like having a mini factory on your desk. Imagine the possibilities. It's the process of creating three-dimensional objects from a digital file, layer by tiny layer. Each layer adds to the complexity and detail of the final product. Imagine a magical machine that can build anything you can dream of, from toys and tools to medical devices and even houses. The scope is truly limitless. That's the power of three-dimensional printing. It brings your wildest ideas to life. Imagine holding a toy spaceship in your hand, every detail perfectly formed. It's like holding a piece of your imagination. You didn't buy this spaceship, you made it. The sense of accomplishment is unparalleled. Using a three-dimensional printer, you transformed a digital design into a physical object. It's a seamless blend of creativity and technology. That's the magic of three-dimensional printing. It turns your digital blueprints into tangible objects, layer by thin layer. It takes digital blueprints and turns them into tangible objects, layer by thin layer. Each layer is a step closer to your final creation. It's like watching your imagination come to life right before your eyes. The process is mesmerizing and incredibly rewarding, but three-dimensional printing is more than just a cool gadget. It's a tool that has practical applications in various fields. It's a game changer, a revolution in manufacturing and beyond. Industries are being transformed by this technology. It empowers us to become creators, not just consumers. We can now design and produce our own products. Whether you're an artist, an engineer, an entrepreneur, or just someone with a passion for making things, three-dimensional printing opens up a world of possibilities. The only limit is your imagination. So are you ready to dive into the exciting world of three-dimensional printing? There's so much to explore and create. Buckle up because we're about to embark on a journey that will ignite your imagination and empower you to create like never before. Let's get started and see where your creativity takes you. Like many groundbreaking inventions, three-dimensional printing has a fascinating history full of innovation and determination. Its roots can be traced back to the 1980s, with early pioneers like Chuck Hull developing the first stereolithography machine. This groundbreaking technology used lasers to solidify liquid resin layer by layer, creating three-dimensional objects. In the beginning, three-dimensional printing was primarily used for industrial prototyping. It was expensive and complex, mainly accessible to large companies and research institutions. But as with all transformative technologies, three-dimensional printing evolved rapidly. New methods, such as fused deposition modeling, emerged, making the technology more affordable and accessible to a wider audience. The development of open-source hardware and software further democratized three-dimensional printing, creating a vibrant community of makers, hobbyists, and entrepreneurs. This community-driven spirit has been instrumental in pushing the boundaries of what's possible with three-dimensional printing. Today, three-dimensional printing is more than just a niche technology, it's a global phenomenon. From classrooms to factories, from homes to hospitals, three-dimensional printers are transforming industries and empowering individuals around the world. And this is just the beginning. As three-dimensional printing continues to evolve, its potential applications are limitless. Just like a carpenter needs different tools for different tasks, each tool serving a unique purpose and function, three-dimensional printing offers a variety of technologies and materials tailored to specific applications. These technologies have evolved to cater to a wide range of needs, from simple prototypes to complex, functional parts. Think of them as ingredients in a recipe, each contributing unique properties and possibilities to your three-dimensional printing creations. Just as a chef selects ingredients to create a culinary masterpiece, you can choose the right materials and technologies to bring your ideas to life. One of the most popular three-dimensional printing technologies is fused deposition modeling, commonly known as FDM. It's like a hot glue gun that extrudes melted plastic filament layer by layer to build an object. This method is widely used due to its simplicity and cost-effectiveness. Fused deposition modeling printers are affordable, easy to use, and perfect for beginners. They are a great starting point for anyone new to three-dimensional printing. offering a gentle learning curve and a wide range of material options. Another common technology is stereolithography, which we touched upon earlier. This technology is known for its precision and ability to create highly detailed objects. Stereolithography uses a UV laser to cure liquid resin, creating highly detailed and smooth-surfaced objects. This makes it ideal for applications requiring fine detail and smooth finishes, such as jewelry and dental models. It's ideal for intricate designs and prototypes that require fine precision. The level of detail achievable with stereolithography is unmatched by many other three-dimensional printing technologies. Beyond fused deposition modeling and stereolithography, there's a whole universe of three-dimensional printing technologies, each using different materials and methods. These technologies open up new possibilities for innovation and creativity. Selective laser sintering uses a laser to fuse powdered materials like nylon or metal, creating strong and durable parts. This technology is particularly useful for industrial applications where strength and durability are paramount. Digital light processing projects UV light onto a vat of resin, curing an entire layer at once for faster printing speeds. This method is similar to stereolithography but can be faster and more efficient for certain applications. The materials used in three-dimensional printing are just as diverse as the technologies themselves. From plastics to metals, the choice of material can significantly impact the properties and performance of the final product. Plastics like PLA and ABS are popular choices for their affordability and versatility. PLA is biodegradable and easy to print with, making it a favorite for hobbyists, while ABS is known for its strength and durability. For more demanding applications, you can find three-dimensional printing materials like nylon, which offers excellent mechanical properties and resistance to wear and tear. Carbon fiber, which provides high strength-to-weight ratio, metals for robust and functional parts, ceramics for heat resistance, and even wood filaments for a unique aesthetic and feel. With such a wide range of technologies and materials at your disposal, the possibilities for three-dimensional printing are truly endless. Whether you're creating simple models or complex functional parts, the right combination of technology and material can bring your vision to life in ways you never imagined. Now that we've explored the hardware and materials of three-dimensional printing, let's dive into the software that makes it all possible. The software is the brain behind the operation, translating your creative ideas into tangible objects. Just like architects use CAD software to design buildings, we use three-dimensional modeling software to create the blueprints for our three-dimensional printed creations. This software allows us to visualize and manipulate our designs in a virtual space before bringing them to life. Fear not, aspiring makers, for three-dimensional modeling software is more accessible than you might think. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, there's a tool out there for you. There are user-friendly options like Tinkercad and SketchUp that are perfect for beginners. These programs are designed with simplicity in mind, allowing you to dive right in without a steep learning curve. These programs let you create basic shapes, combine them, and sculpt them into your desired designs. You can start with simple geometric forms and gradually build more complex structures as you become more comfortable with the tools. For more advanced users, there are powerful professional-grade software packages like Blender and Fusion 360. These tools offer a wide range of features and capabilities, from detailed sculpting to precise engineering designs. These programs offer a vast array of tools for creating complex geometries, organic forms, and intricate details. They are ideal for those looking to push the boundaries of what's possible with three-dimensional printing. Regardless of your skill level, there's a three-dimensional modeling software out there that's perfect for you. The key is to find the one that best suits your needs and start experimenting. Once you've created your three-dimensional model, it's time to prepare it for printing using a process called slicing. This step is crucial as it translates your digital design into instructions that the printer can understand. Slicing software takes your three-dimensional model and divides it into thin, horizontal layers, much like slicing a loaf of bread. Each layer represents a cross-section of your final object. It also generates the instructions that tell your three-dimensional printer how to deposit material, layer by layer, to build your object. This includes details like the speed of the print head, the temperature of the material, and the path it should follow. Popular slicing software options include Cura, Prusa Slicer, and Simplify 3D. Each of these programs has its own strengths and features, catering to different types of users and printers. These programs allow you to fine-tune printing parameters like layer height, printing temperature, infill density, and support structures. Adjusting these settings can significantly impact the quality and strength of your final print. Mastering slicing software is key to achieving high-quality, three-dimensional prints. The more you understand and control these parameters, the better your results will be. But don't worry, most slicing software comes with helpful presets and tutorials to get you started. These resources can guide you through the process, making it easier to achieve great results even if you're new to three-dimensional printing. Additionally, there are numerous online communities and resources where you can learn from others, share your experiences, and get advice. The world of three-dimensional printing is vast and collaborative, so don't hesitate to reach out and connect with fellow enthusiasts. With the right software and a bit of practice, you'll be able to bring your creative ideas to life and explore the endless possibilities of three-dimensional printing. Happy printing!